All right, Naya, open that
This
top
makes it
up.
a little bit awkward. If I get that blue, I'll be so happy.
But what if I get it?
Then she'll be unhappy.
Then I'll get the other blue and I'll still be happy.
What if I got the other blue?
Then I'll get the silver red.
What if I got the silver red?
Then her whole life is over.
Hi guys, it's Naya and Ellie today. What are we doing today, Mommy?
We are doing Don't Choose the Wrong Gummy Bear.
But is there any gummy bears in here?
There are no gummy bears in here, and of course, these are little honey pots, but we think they look like cute little gummy bears with all these colors in them, so this is Don't Choose the Wrong Gummy Bears. And if you guys don't know, this is a new channel. What is this new channel, girls?
Naya versus Ellie.
That's right, this is Naya versus Ellie. This is not the Naya and Ellie's toy show. So if you want Naya and Ellie toy show, guess what? This is not it. But you need to subscribe to this channel so you get all of the Naya versus Ellie challenges. And we do lots of cool slime challenges on here.
Yeah.
Lots of fun. But I think it's time to get started. Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
What was that, rock, paper, scissors? Okay, looks like Team Naya is first. Naya, you are going to pick a number from this bowl and let us know what you have. And then you get your bear. You ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want number 18.
I got number 12. I want it. They're so big.
Number 12. Ooh, Ellie's hurting for this.
No, I
Ellie-
like this pink.
What?
Ellie loves
Wait,
pink.
if she gets bad pink, she'll say she likes this purple.
So it looks like Naya got pink. And wait, before Naya pours this out, are you team Big Sister Naya? Or are you team? Yeah, she's Ellie.
Wait, why did Ellie get the little one? She looks so cute.
I know, right? That's not fair. But seriously, guys, are you team Big Sister or team Little Sister? Let us know. Whose team are you repping? Are you repping Naya or Ellie? Naya, pour in your gummy bear. You want to squirt it first? Oh, the top.
Yeah, that's right. He said.
All right, I'll take that trash. Go ahead and pour
We
it
don't
in.
need no gummy bear.
Okay, I'm gonna squirt it. That's why we need no gummy bears. It's so hard to squeeze.
You're going to have to pour it out.
Yeah, this is way too hard.
Why'd you put the top back on?
Because it was hard to squeeze.
All right, let me see. Squeeze his little body. His little body loves slime. Okay, so now it's time for Team Little Sister. Ellie, pick a number.
She is at 11. I'm gonna.
Whoa, she got like
13.
Why do we keep getting the numbers
13?
but 11?
Okay, guys, we've only had two rounds. One round. And all right, so Naya, you get this green.
Naya. Oh,
what?
sure.
Oh,
I
Ellie,
will
you
take
get this
it.
green clear one. Do you like this one, or you wish you had pink?
I'm not really sure. I don't.
She wants.
All right, let's
She
see
wants.
what you get. Team Ellie, let us know what you think of your color below.
I
You-
love it.
Team Ellie, do you like your green apple gummy?
Oh, it looks so pretty in the bowl.
Naya had cotton candy gummy. Ellie has green apple gummy.
That probably tastes better.
Ooh, mine's
All right.
easy to squeeze out.
All right, I'll take your bear. All right, Naya, what number do you have?
Number 7 with the dog tray.
Whoa, we got a Dada trade super early on this challenge. We never get a Dada trade this early. So take a look, 7 with the dot of trade. That means we're gonna hold off. Right now, Naya gets this little foam ball gummy bear. Ellie, pick a number and open it up.
She gets red. I'm gonna be like, okay, sure.
10.
Oh, I said that she gets red.
You were right. Naya was correct. So Ellie has this red, this kind of look Christmassy. So Naya got the Dada trade, so she can either take Ellie's or keep
mine.
hers. You want to keep yours?
Yes.
Okay, let's see Naya pour hers in first, and then we'll see Ellie.
I can see Ellie's jealousy.
No, I'm not. I'm just looking at your slide.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were jealous.
Look at that. All right, throw that away. Okay, Ellie, as you guys know, she has the red one. Here you go.
You
Take-
people like gonna be Christmas, yay!
Yeah, Ellie, you're going for the Christmas thing. I didn't even realize that.
Ellie, I think you have to take that top off. That's going to take 200 years.
Yes. And will we all be already done with my slime while Ellie's still freezing that?
Thank you, Naya.
That looks pretty, Ellie. At least it will turn red.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a Christmas thing.
All right, it is now Naya's turn yet again.
Wait,
All
All right, throw your gummy bear away, Ellie.
I think this is pink.
It's
9.
red. So, look at this. Naya got a blue glitter, but somehow all the glitter It's like a purple glitter, really, more than blue. Like purple glitter. It's like galaxy almost. So there's hers, but all the glitter went to the bottom. Let's see if she can get it out.
Woo, dude! That's some chunks, pretty chunks of glitter. Woo! It looks like kind of like pasta. All the glitter is at the bottom. Can I get a stick or something to get it out? Like there's literally all these chunks.
Use this Christmas straw.
It's like all these chunks of glitter.
All right, so now it is little sister's turn. Team little sister, what do you have?
8.
Number 8. Oh, this one was supposed to be like a purplish color, but it turned out clear. I don't know how, so you get a clear
So
slime.
it won't mess your slime up or anything, so like it's kind of good.
So take the whole top off and let's see you. She's gonna squeeze it out slowly.
I see a little purple.
Like there's like, it's like not really.
Team Big Sister, it is your turn again. Remember, have you guys left your comment? Who are you hashtagging? Hashtag Big Sister, hashtag Little Sister.
Hashtag
Let's go. Yeah.
Who cut this number?
Daddy.
She got
He
4.
look, he bit it with his teeth.
4.
Guys, did Daddy bite this off with his teeth? Let us know. Did Poppy Cray Cray do this? Green. Ooh, not just any green. This is green glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that glitter in there, but it's really pretty in person. All right, Nye, open that
This
top
makes it
up.
a little bit awkward. If I get that blue, I'll be so happy.
But well, if I get it.
Then she'll be unhappy.
Then I'll get the other blue and I'll still be happy.
Well, if I got that little blue.
Then I'll get the silver red.
Well, if I got the silver red.
Then her whole life is over.
Then I'll get the purple.
Well, if I
Okay,
got the purple.
little sister, it is now your
Then
turn.
I'll get the glitter. Like gold glitter. I'm trying to think of something.
14.
14. You have bright sunset yellow. Woohoo.
It
Guys,
looks like
do you...
eyeballs are in my slime.
Where there are eyeballs. My eyeballs,
Okay, Ellie, here you go.
What in the world
Ellie,
is
I
that?
have to say something. That is the most confusing slime combination I've seen thus far. The clear green,
looks
the
like
clear
mustard.
red, and then the bright yellow.
It looks like mustard, ketchup, and relish.
What in the world was
No,
that?
it looks
slime
like
be?
mustard, ketchup, and relish.
It's still very confusing what hers will end up being with those color combinations. I'm very, because some is clear, then it's the white glue. It's kind of,
What if it just says the same color? Like it just.
it's pretty unique, Ellie. Okay, Team Big Sister, back at it again. Oh no.
5.
Number 5. Ooh, let's take a look at him.
If I got number 6, Ellie.
He is sunset orange glitter. Look at him. And I'm tipping him over so you guys can see it kind of draining to his head.
It's red.
I don't know what's wrong with mommy today, guys.
She's trying to get every bit of glitter out of there. She wants lots of glitter in her slime. Okay, here you go.
That's enough.
Team Ellie. Team Little Sister.
15.
15. Ooh. She got
Our
the
fourth glitter.
golden gummy bear. If they made a gummy bear with edible gold like this, let me just tell you something. He would be in my life, and I would never eat.
Well, if they only had one until I took it.
All right, I'm gonna loosen up your top. Go ahead and pour
Mommy
your
would
gold
offer
glitter
the
in.
$1 million. Get the $1
Of course, Naya touched her glue. Now she has the evidence all over her hands.
million.
Guys, who are you wrapping? Are you loving
Yes.
your big sister
That's a straw.
slime, or are you liking your little sister slime?
Have a straw or something.
You want the straw?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to. It's a little messy. She's trying to get every drop of that glitter out. You want all your glitter, Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay, it is time for little sister. I mean, wait, what are you? Big sister.
Little sister, she just went. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get one. It's number 3. I was hoping for this.
So this is a aquamarine gold glitter. So there's gold glitter in here, and look at that. It has a beautiful
Blue color.
blue teal iridescent. It goes from blue to a little bit green to gold.
This
Here
is
you
just
go.
beautiful, Mommy. I'm loving this challenge. I'm loving my life, y'all. I'm loving my TV. I'm
loving your
going to
TV.
Be live. I'm going to be live.
Ellie, Team Little Sister, you don't look excited. Are you not excited, Team Little Sister?
I'm not excited.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Okay, so let's pick another.
Now it is time for Team Little Sister, and her hands are full of glitter.
Yes.
As much as I try to get them to do this clean, they somehow mark up all their
Please don't
numbers.
get-
16.
All right, Team Little Sister, you have number 16. You have Lavender Gummy Bear, and he's so pretty. He's almost a pink color, but he's actually lavender. Here you go. I loosened him up. There you go.
Oh, I think I have an idea what your time's gonna take.
Ellie is confusing me.
Yes.
I don't know what
I
the
have no
color's gonna
idea.
be. Guys, if you have any clue what Ellie's color is going to be, let us know. I am very confused because it's so random. Let's go, Team Big Sister. Number 2.
The dog tray.
Oh man, number 2 with a dot of trade. Ellie, little sister, you didn't.
I did that.
You did the dot of trade. Yeah, you did do that. Did you do that yourself?
Yeah.
Well, you really messed yourself up.
Oh, yeah.
Because Team Big Sister got it. Let's see what you get and see if she wants to trade you.
1.
Number 1, which is blue.
Go on a trade.
Whoa! We have a double dot of trade. That means this is a rock, paper, scissors challenge to see who gets right. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Looks like Big Sister gets to choose. Big Sister, what would you like?
Blue.
She is taking Ellie's. That means Ellie is going to get this one. Let's see Big Sister's go in first.
We got both the other tray. I asked that the other day what would happen if we got both got the other tray. And Mom was like, I have no idea.
Wait, is she putting it on herself? You're about to be
Yeah, it looks
you're
like-
about to be covered in the dot of trade.
This is going so.
All right, little sister, I've loosened it up for you.
How did we
Here
both get the other tray?
I don't know. What if I got the trade again? And I got
What if
that.
we both
All right,
got the
Ella.
other tray again? Who did the dot trade?
You two snuck some dot of trades on here.
Ellie, can we help you with the next challenge?
No, because you guys are going to try to sneak dot of trade. All right, let's finish up and stop sneaking and plotting. All right, so it is now the last round. It is another trade round. But we're going to get Big Sister to pick hers first. Don't open it. Whoa.
Oh.
Give Little Sister that one. On the count of 3. Open
1,
it
2, 3. 6. 11.
up. Ooh, okay.
We both got the colors.
So Naya has this blue clear. Ellie has this pink glitter. We're going to do another rock, paper, scissors to see whoever wins gets to choose whether they want to trade or keep what they have. Let's go, ladies.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, Big Sister, would you like this pink glitter?
I'm gonna keep the blue.
She's keeping the blue. Little Sister looks happy. She's getting her pink glitter.
Ooh, you choose the wrong one.
All right, let's go. Let's see you go in.
I don't like pink. So. You chose the wrong one.
She's like gonna be next for you.
Right next.
Oh, Mommy.
And you want the one to watch the video. Nobody wants to watch die TV, only Ellie TV.
Ooh, Ellie tried to come for Naya. So this is Team Big Sisters. Look at that. You have all those little foam snow beads on top, and you have layers and layers and layers of glue that you can't see.
It's pink on this.
Team Little Sister, look at yours. You can pretty much see all of Team Little Sisters. There's some layers in there a little bit, but look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit of activator to Team Big Sister and a little bit of activator to Team Little Sister. Team Little Sister, since you lost both dots of trade, which spoon would you like to take?
Wait, what?
Which spoon would you like?
I would like pink.
All right, she's taking the
What?
pink, which
She
is
gets to choose.
Okay, little sister, here you go. Big sister, here you go. Let's start mixing.
I might go to the orange. That's what I was hoping for.
I am so confused on these colors.
Might go to the orange, orange pink.
Yay!
Yours looks like Elsa, Naya.
No, mine looks like unicorn slime.
Actually, it kind of does. Let me give you guys a close-up.
Not kinda.
Okay, it looks like Naya, it is starting to look a little, you can see a little bit of pink. I don't know if you guys can tell. And there's the blue. And then Naya, yours looks like, Ellie, yours looks like orange sunset, but I can even see some of the little glitter specks you have in yours. See, there's some glitter in there, guys.
From the gold.
From the gold. All right, keep mixing and mixing. I think we need some more activator, right?
I'm mixing the worst way
All right,
ever.
activator. Activator.
It's activating my eyes out.
Okay.
That's the same
What do you guys think the final slime's gonna look like?
I might go to the orange.
Well, I think yours is orange already. And guys, leave a comment. Whose slime are you liking better? Which slime would you rather get?
Mine's like a peachy orange.
So we have been mixing and mixing, and this is our final slime. Ladies, why don't you give us a stretch? Why don't we do a stretch showdown? Ooh, Ellie's missing her stretch showdown.
Hold
Naya.
on.
So Ellie is stretching now, and Naya. Woo! Guys, who is going to win this stretching
Wait,
showdown?
hold up. I'm gonna.
Okay,
really
Naya's
stretch.
going to give us the stretch of life.
This is,
She is stretching for
this
her
is what
life.
I mean, really stretch.
Oh,
You
let
gotta-
me widen this
You
out.
gotta
She-
make the camera.
Oh,
really
okay,
up.
okay. Okay, guys, Naya's giving us the stretch of life. Woo! Oh! Ellie, let's see your stretch
That's
of
not a
life.
stretch, that's just a baby
This is
stretch.
a catwalk showdown. Ellie's giving us, oh, she's tipping the bowl. Oh, whoa. Let's take a look at Naya's. Let's get all some of these details you have. You got some blue glitter showing. You have your little snowballs in here. You are doing a lot with this. Whoa. Ellie, you got a little bit of Naya's blue glitter right there. But guys, leave a comment. Whose slime is reigning supreme?
You
Let's
guys
get some-
really hear it poke it?
Yeah, let's hear you poke it real quiet. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Look.
So that's it for Naya versus Ellie. Make sure you guys leave a comment below. And also make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for our new channel. Bye, guys.